So we decided to go to the lake and do a bike ride. Yeah.
This one's different than mine at home.
Gigi got Ava a new bike. So she's back there walking. So we're going to Indiana
I
to
have a bag.
keep your hands on the wheel.
I have a bag. Yeah, my Gigi got a bike with a bag on it. And I'm so excited because I got it from my necklace.
Cool. It's beautiful outside. Bridge. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Remember when you go up, you got to push? Isn't this pretty? Keep going. Keep going.
I have a bike with a bag on it and I'm a ring, but I really wanted to wear my bike.
Sorry, she's excited. Oh, look at that waterfall.
Whoa, that's a waterfall. I wish I could swim in there. I can feel the water.
This is pretty. Now you're gonna go down. So you gotta. What do you have to do? I mean, you can push it back too. Yeah. Whoa! That came in the road. I'm trying to walk with it. You gotta go left, buddy. Left, left, left. There you go. It's pretty. Come look at it. Come look. Go back to the water. Come here. Come here. Come here. You okay? Come here. You see it? Isn't that pretty? Come on, go this way. We gotta lead it back to the water. Come on. Whoa, I could pick it up, but I don't want to. Come on. Go. You see it?
Yeah, he's slow.
Yeah, that's what he's actually moving kind of fast. Good job. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going, buddy. Keep going. Keep going.
No, back is still.
No, I'm just trying to nudge it so it gets back to the water. You don't want to go back. You don't want to go in the street. Saved your life twice. He's actually kind of fast.
I want to see the fast turtle.
Look, he's going.
Yeah,
No, you didn't even touch it. It's not cheap. Touch.
no, he can move.
No, touch it.
He keep on moving.
You're scary.
I know.
He's fast. This is a fast turtle.
I haven't seen a fast turtle before.
Want to touch it again? Try again. Keep going. Come on. Before he gets away.
I'm not gonna touch it.
Don't be scared.
I'm not because he's moving. No, I can't.
Oh, cool. We saved him. Now he's going back to the pond. Good job, buddy.
I'm trying to touch him.
He's fast. You see him sliding down? Not as fast as you, of course. Whoa, he's sliding. More teeny tiny pine cones. You want me to get you one? Oh, look at that. What is that? What do you think that is?
A millipede?
No, a millipede. No, right there. Right there.
What?
It's a bird's nest.
Oh, yeah.
Let me get you a small pine cone. Let me
I
see.
got that by myself.
No, you can't reach over here.
Oh,
See?
it's right there.
See, look.
Oh, Pokey.
You say?
I'm bringing these home.
Okay.
I want to make a rock collection.
Okay.
So I have to collect all of the rocks that we're walking.
Okay, well, let's keep walking.
Mom, I got these rocks. Mom,
I know, but can we walk up the hill, up the thing first? Because you still need to walk down. They're going to be on the way down, too.
look, I found lots of rocks for my rock collection.
Cool. This is so pretty. I'm so happy we got out.
Mom, I found another rock for my rock collection.
So happy we got out. Some fresh air. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look over there. Look how high we are. Yeah. Beautiful.
Mom, trust me. I can push you.
I know. I trust you, but this thing is heavy and I know how to spin it, so I don't need you.
I got this. I can push you.
I got this. I can swing us. No, don't get down, baby. Let's just relax. Let's enjoy the swing.
Lean down and swing.
No, baby, this is too
I
heavy.
got this.
I get it, but I want you to enjoy the scenery.
I got this. I got
run fast. Just a fast walk. Because this is a pretty steep hill. Okay, you got this. She thinks she's such a big girl. And maybe I just think that she's such a baby. Because I'm like, no, don't do it. She's like, I got this, Mom. Okay, let me start letting you get things. It's time to start releasing the umbilical cord a little bit. Because she got it. She clearly got it.